are going to start our class with some simple exercises which will help us to protect from deadly viruses. Exercise can support your immune system and your immune function is enhanced by regular exercise. So, I, Mrs. Pallavi Doshi, your yoga instructor from Phoenix Podalon School Barshi, is here on the 8th session of yoga, pranayam, meditation and workout virtual class. Welcome you all. The COVID-19 pandemic means that many of us are staying at home and sitting down more than we usually do. It's very important for people of all ages and abilities to be as active as possible. Regular physical activities benefits both the body and mind. It can reduce all conditions that can increase susceptibility to COVID-19. Remember, just taking a short break from sitting by doing 3 to 4 minutes of light intensity physical movement will help ease your muscles and improve blood circulation and muscle ability. Today, we are going to concentrate on strengthening of lungs. So let's start, children, with the regular prayer of ours. For that, bring your hands together near your chest, close your eyes and start the prayer. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nat Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms and give the energy to your eyes and open your eyes gently. To fight with corona or to avoid coronavirus entering our body, it's necessary to keep our lungs strong and healthy. For that purpose, certain exercises for lungs should be practiced on daily basis. When we exercise at home, it is important we still do a warm-up. This can be simply walking on the spot for 30 seconds, slowly, and build it up faster for another 30 seconds, between 5 and 10 minutes, in total at a light intensity. This is called spot jogging, which helps to improve stamina and capacity of the lungs. So let's do jogging. Start. First at the slow pace, just I'm doing now. And now you can increase your speed. Very nice, very good. And now you can stop slowly, slowly, slowly. Very good. Moving on to the exercises next one, it's important that you remember to pace yourself and aim for between 1 to 2 minutes per exercise at that moderate intensity. So, for the second exercise, it's a simple step up. The name of the exercise is step up. This can be done at a slow speed or faster pace. You can easily do this exercise using the stepper at your home. No need to go outside. So let's begin. Look at me, how I'm doing. You can do this one slowly or faster as per your wish, as per your stamina. Very good, very nice. Now stop. The next one is the third exercise. The name of it is wall push-up. For the wall push-up exercise, the upper body is to be pressed up against the wall. To make this harder, you can increase your angle or distance from the wall. You can also adjust your hand position if you need. Breathe in when you come near the wall, and then breathe out as you stretch your hands. Yes. Now I will do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Here children, the fourth exercise now. You can do a side tap here, or make this harder by doing a side with lunge, going a little bit deeper. So let's start with a side tap. I will do the counting. Do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children of your age can do the side lunges. So let's start again with the side lunges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. Breathe in while going to your left side and breathe out while going to your normal position. Again, breathe in while going to your right side and coming back to your normal position. Breathe out. Again we will do 4 times. Breathe in. 1. Breathe out. Come to the normal position. 2. Breathe in. Come to your normal position, breathing out. Very nice, children. 3. Breathe in. Back to your position. 4. Breathe in and coming to the normal position, breathe out. Very nice, children. You are doing very well. Here we have completed 4 exercises. All are related to the lungs, the breathing in and breathing out exercises, which are very necessary to fight against the coronavirus. Now, the fifth exercise is doing a reverse lunge. This can be done with or without support. So first we will start with support. You can take a chair and then, according to whatever I do, see to it and do on the counting. 1, 2, with your left and with your right foot. 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Now, children of your age can do without the support. So take the chair out. You can fold your hands or keep your hands on your waist and do reverse lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very nice, children. The next exercise is a simple sits to stand, and you can use your hands to push up if you need to. Make this harder. You can progress this to a squat. Now let's begin. Take a chair and sit on it with hands folded. While breathing, stand up, and while breathing out, sit down. So let's do it, children. We will do it 10 times. 1. Breathe in. 2. Sit down, breathing out. 3. Stand up, breathing in. 4. Sit down, breathing out. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Very nice, children. So, for the next exercise, children, sit down on the mat. Sit comfortably in Vajrasan, Sukhasan, Padmasan, any pose you want. Take a paper and hold it in your hands, in line to your head, in such a way that when you breathe out, the paper moves due to the force of air. See to it that when you hold the paper in your hand, your fingers are towards the ground. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through your mouth. So let's begin now. I will do the counting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, you have to just breathe in and breathe out. Breathing through the nose and breathe out through your mouth. 7, 8, 9, 10. We will go reverse now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, very nice. So children, the next one is positive expiratory pressure. This exercise is also based on breathing. It's good for your lungs. So in this, the material required for it is take a glass of water, a glass, a straw. So the procedure is take a glass of water, 3/4 filled, and take a straw. Now breathe in first and then exhale through the straw as I am doing now. You will see the bubbles in the glass. The tip here is don't let the straw touch the bottom of the glass. This exercise is good for those suffering from severe cough. You will see the bubbles in the glass. Do it, children. Breathe in and exhale through the straw. Very nice. Now I'm going to do the counting. Let's start. Breathe in 1. Breathe out. Very good. Breathe in 2. Breathe out. Do it slowly. Breathe in 3. Breathe out. Breathe in 4. Breathe out. Very nice. Breathe in 5. Breathe out through the straw. Very nice, children. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Do it again. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now, for the last time, breathe in and breathe out through the straw. Children, do it slowly. The water should not spill from the glass. Very nice. Now you can stop. Students, next one we are going to do 3 breathing exercises with the help of the hands. The first one is dumbbells, the next one is side hand aside, and the third one is space breathing. So let's start with the first one. Imagine as if you are having dumbbells in your hands. Put your hands in the front, in line to your nose, and take your hands breathing in to your sideways, and afterwards breathe out and take your hands in the front again. So let's start. Bring your hands in line to your nose Keep it straight, don't bend it. And according to how I count and how I do, watch and do accordingly. So let's begin. Breathe in, 1. Breathe out, 2. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do it slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your hands slowly down. Now the second one is side hand aside. Keep your hands 180 degrees now. Very nice. See and do. Take your hands up by breathing and again 180 degrees breathing out. So let's start. We are going to do 10 counts. Are you ready, children? Yes. 1. Breathe in. Take your hands upwards. 2. 3. 4. Here breathing is very important, children. 5. 6. 7. Concentrate on breathing. 8. 9. And take your hands back to your normal position. Very nice, children. You are doing very nice. Are you ready, children, for the next one? Yes. The third breathing exercise is take your hands down and breathe your hands and take your hands, raise your hands upwards in the V position. Very good. And bring your hands down. Children, don't forget to breathe in and breathe out. While your hands are upwards, you should breathe, and while you take your hands downwards, you should breathe out. So let's begin. I'm going to count it up till 10. So do it with me. Breathe in and take your hands up. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1. Breathe in. 2. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. I know you are enjoying. Come on. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Relax now for a few seconds. And let's go for the next exercise. And it is sitting breathing exercises. So, children, sit on your mats. Relax. Very nice. Let's start with sitting breathing exercises. The first one is stomach breathing, second one chest breathing, and the third one is shoulder breathing. Are you ready, children? Yes. So let's begin with the first one, stomach breathing. I'm going to tell you the procedure. Listen to it carefully. In stomach breathing, you have to inhale the air and it should go in directly to your stomach. Feel like that, and your stomach should look like a balloon. Yes, and when you breathe out from your stomach, all the air should go outside. So let's begin. 1. Fill the air in the stomach. Fill it. Make it tight. Very good. 2. Breathe out, and your stomach should go inside. Pull your stomach inside, the navel should touch the back side. Very nice. 2. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. The movement of stomach should be there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. This is the last time we are doing now. And breathe out. Now rest. Let's go for the next one, the chest breathing. Here, as the name suggests you you have to fill your chest with air, and when you breathe out, all the air from your chest should be released. So let's start. Breathe in 1, fill your chest should come forward. Breathe out. Breathe in 2, feel the air inside the chest as much as you can. Breathe out. Empty the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. This is the last time we are doing, children. And breathe out. Very nice. Now the sitting third exercise for the breathing is shoulder breathing. Yes. Are you ready? Let's begin now. When you breathe in, your shoulders should go at the back side. And when you breathe out, your shoulders should come in the front. So let's start. 1. Raise your shoulders and take it to the back side. 2. Raise your shoulders and bring it in the front. 3. Breathe in, take your shoulders at the back side again. 4. Breathe out, take your shoulders in the front. 5. Breathe in, and now breathing out, take your shoulders to the front. Breathe in again, shoulders to the back side. Breathe out. Your shoulders should go back and front naturally. The last time we are going to do it, breathe in and back to your normal position, breathing out. Very nice, children. Children, you must have enjoyed today's breathing lung exercises to avoid COVID-19. So now let's end up with the prarthana. Join your hands together, close your eyes and start the prayer. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms and give the energy to your eyes. Now open your eyes slowly, slowly and slowly. So let's meet next time. See you. Bye-bye.